ride the Kancamangus HWY. Very interesting name. I wonder what no gas next 32 miles, which is crazy. There we go, National Forest, White Mountain National Forest. Man, this is hairpin. Look at this. I just gotta love that torque that this engine has. Gravel on the road. That guardrail looks very, very dangerous. We're at 2,700 feet. This must be a different county because the pavement is completely different. I'm a little afraid of the left-hand turns because of the fork seal, but usually I take it faster than right. Shit. Oh my god, I just got a flat tire. That suits me for that was a very quick flat tire.
You did give a flat tire.
Oh yeah.
I saw it went pretty fast. Because we were riding, and then like
it just died.
I'm like, that doesn't look right. And then I saw you kind of weave back and forth because, you know, same thing. It kind of feels weird. You on a plane?
Man, that is.
Oh my goodness. You want to do this?
Yeah.
So get up there. I kind of pull back. Is it up? Good Lord. You know what I always have in my kit?
That was incredible. Like I couldn't steer at all.
Well, I saw it. Well, see, what I've noticed before, I've never gone that bad.
It just lost all pressure.
It wasn't 100% flat, so that's good. Try to find the spot, and we'll I'll get my kit out.
Man, a flat tire as I was passing that. Man, this thing is sticky.
Hey, Dick. Dick. Hey, Dick. Thank you for being the leader.
Oh, that's true. That should have been you.
I don't think this bike would have handled flat as well as yours.
What? Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Was it a nail or?
There's nothing in it. There's just a hole.
I wonder if you didn't get a nail at some point. Because we were riding. Is it like left to center?
It's right in the middle.
Oh.
It is so hot.
That's what she said.
Bring your tools. Luckily, Shawn had all his tools. 40. I'm going to put it at 42 psi. All right, 42 psi. Then I'm going to check it once I get to town, make sure that it stays there. I want to cut this. I don't have a knife, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Fix this patch. I put the psi at 42. Now that was very dangerous because I was passing cars and I shouldn't have been passing that car. Maybe that's an omen that I shouldn't have been passing a car on a double yellow. So that was my fault. That really was my fault. I should have waited, because if it was the broken yellow, most of the time it's straight. Most of the time it's straight. I mean, that could have been a horrible crash. That could have been a really bad crash. And luckily, I mean, this is a nice corner. I was about to take the corner and boom, that would have been... Okay, so now I got the tire inflated. Hopefully it'll get me home without losing any pressure, because I need to make sure that this thing is not going to fall off. It's still got 700 miles back to go. And I just put on this tire. Did I tell you guys? I just put on this tire. It's brand new. I put it on just for this trip. I'm telling you, the world is telling me to dark side. We have 22 miles to go, because I tried to pull into that pullover and the tire would not go to the left because there's a camber to that road, and it felt like I just could not steer at all. Luckily, I didn't get hurt. So, well, this is the rest of the Kancamangus HWY. Well guys, that is the end of the day. Fork seal busted, rear tire flat, but we're still okay. Tomorrow I head home on the highway, 700 miles, can't wait, yippee. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed New Hampshire, Maine, and Vermont, and New York, and I'll see you on the next ride. Thanks for watching.